talking about seascapes, okay? And our learning target is up on the board up here. We are learning to create an original seascape. So that original part is really important. Original means that it's yours, it's unique. You're not just trying to make one like everybody else's, okay? We're gonna do this by making our own version of the Great Wave. So we're gonna check out this very famous, the Great Wave work of art. And this is important because a lot of times, especially in elementary school, you guys see somebody else's idea and then someone else might get bummed and they're like, oh, she's copying off me, she's taking my idea. Well, they were inspired by what you had to say or what you had to do, okay? So we're trying to learn how you can take that inspiration and kind of mix your own creativity into it, okay? Because it's supposed to be flattering. When somebody does exactly what you're doing, they don't mean to take your idea and claim it as their own. They mean to say that your idea was really awesome and that they couldn't think of anything quite that creative, okay? So what we're going to do today is we're going to look at this work of art and see if we can put our own special spin on it, okay? So this is a Great Wave. Raise your hand if you've ever seen that or if you see it in this room somewhere. Right over there, excellent. So this is by, this is called the Great Wave off of Kanagawa, I think that's how you say it, so that's why a lot of people just say the Great Wave. And the artist, her name is also kind of a mouthful. Her name is Katsushika Hokusai. I'm not going to make you guys remember that, I promise. But this is a woodblock. So raise your hand if you have any idea what a woodblock means whenever you're talking about a way of art. Woodblock? Alright, raise your hand if you thought that this looked like a painting. If you thought that she painted this. Alright, put your hands up. Raise your hand if you thought that she colored this or did something with maybe oil pastels or crayons. Does it look like she colored it rather than painted it maybe? Anybody? Alright, well, wood blocking is a form of printmaking. So when you're printmaking, that means you have something like this. This is a wood block right here. So you have a wood block that's got kind of this rubbery stuff on top of it, and you carve into it to make your design. But you have to carve the absence of your design. So if you look right here, all these symbols that are popped out, that's what would stamp. That's what would stamp on your paper, okay? So you have to carve out the extra. So in order for her to make this, she had to carve this out of a wood block to make this entire thing. And then she rolled ink on it and she stamped it. So we're not going to get into anything quite that difficult with ours. We are going to be painting ours, or it's your choice. You guys can kind of color it, do what you want. But remember, our focus for this is to create an original seascape. So we're going to try to put our own spin on it. So if you look at mine over there, I took an idea from somebody else that I saw and tried to put my own little spin on it. I saw that they put theirs inside of a bathtub. I don't know why I thought that was so hilarious, but they had this huge wave come out of this bathtub. So this person right here had somebody surfing through it. This person right here, raise your hand if you know what artwork they combine with this one up top. Brandon?
The Starry Night. It's actually in our building. Yeah, where the kids are on top of each other, and then there was this one that's painting it.
Oh, you're exactly right. That's right outside the library. So they combined it with the Starry Night for this one. Here they changed the colors of it, so they had the same design, the same picture, but they changed the colors. And then this one had a big sea monster coming out of the back of it, okay? So, as you guys are working, I want you guys to think about how you're going to put your spin in it, okay? So we're going to be drawing it together. That's really the only part that we're all going to do the same, is going to get the drawing of it, get the seascape together, and then I'm going to let you guys loose to paint it. If you don't want to paint it, like I said, I'm going to get an oil pastels. You can use your caddy if you want. You can choose if you want to do normal colors and then kind of change the setting of it like I did, or like this one right here, or this one, or you can decide if you want to completely change the colors of it, okay? That's your choice. But we're going to do it a little bit step by step, okay? So we're going to pass out your papers, we're going to pass out your pencils, and there's 2 rules about when we're drawing this today, okay? Number 1, draw it very, very lightly, okay? You guys are going to add to it. You don't have to have your pencil marks really, really deep. Make it light, that way if you mess up, you guys can always draw it again, erase it, anything like that. But my second rule is not to erase every single line. I don't want you guys to get caught up in this being absolutely perfect. Remember, it's supposed to be your own unique version of the wave. So if you don't get it exactly how you see it, don't worry about it. Try not to erase it every 2 seconds, okay? All right, purple table is going to be my table that helps me out to pass out your stuff. So does anybody have any questions about this before we start to get our supplies to go? All right, we're going to start that in just a second. Purple table, can you pass out pencils from the pink bin? Oh, thank you. And can you guys pass out paper? Can you start at yellow? And can you start at green for me, please? Perfect.
Watercolor paper. that color paper is
It's just a rough day.
Oh, yeah.